the DAX30 or the German 30, we have a little situation here. So what we see is a DAX30, the German index of the top 30 companies they have. It has a setup on the hourly chart. So we see a strong 3 up. Now the 4 sideways is kind of premature for now because it has still quite a distance towards purple. So suppose if it were to stay the whole of today sideways, then tomorrow it will be very, very high probability that it will break out. But it can do you can do that today as well. Let's do some count as well. If you can see, we have a clear 1, 2, this would be a 3, and ideally 4 should end there, and then obviously 5 will go further up. So time wise, H4 this way 4 needs a little bit more sideways, but at the same time we can actually take a pending order here, which would allow us to take a trade like so. Let's move it. So because this is the low, if you take your entry here, your stop loss will be below this green candle, and we will target zone 1. So if we just draw that from where the start of wave 3 was, and let's suppose this is wave 4, then you can have a 2.4 risk reward ratio on this. So watch it.